Hola, güero. ¿Qué tal? Buenos días. ¿Qué le preparo, güerito? Son quesadillas.
¿Quesadillas?
Así. Ajá. Y tengo, espérame. Mira, este es chicharrón prensado, pollo, papa con chorizo, champis.
Okay.
Son quelites como las espinacas, tinga de res, picadillo, flor y tlacoche. Yo te recomiendo pollo, bueno, todo, pero...
Muchas opciones. Ok. Mira, una quesadilla con pollo.
Ajá, con cheese. Queso.
Quesadilla con queso.
Ajá, lleva los dos por uno.
Ah, ok, sí. ¿Es queso Oaxaca?
Sí. Joven, picante.
¿Cuál es?
Pica, poquito.
¿Pica? Ok, muchas gracias.
¿Queso?
Sí, por favor.
Pues, ¿qué te preparo, güerita linda?
Muchas gracias. Okay, here it is, my first quesadilla in Mexico. Looks really good.
Is your first day here?
No, my third day, but my first quesadilla.
Where are you from?
Soy de Estados Unidos.
Okay.
Arkansas.
Okay.
Yeah. So, yeah. Yeah, gracias.
Claro, una, dos,
Okay.
tres.
No, de queso.
Una, dos, tres.
Muchas gracias.
Pero a este sí les pongo queso, valen igual.
¿Sí?
Sí, ok. Sí, bueno.
Wow, that's really good.
Ok.
The Oaxaca cheese. Wow. Do you eat here often?
I work here.
Oh, you work here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay.
But live
Okay, yeah.
near from here.
Oh, okay. Are you from here in Ciudad de México?
Around here.
Around
Yeah.
here? Okay.
Very near from here.
Very near? Okay.
¿De dónde es, güey?
De Estados Unidos.
¿Estados Unidos?
Mi primera quesadilla en México.
Sí, tu primera.
Sí,
Ajá,
sí,
bravo.
sí.
Quesadillas Wendy, me encuentres en Google.
Quesadillas Wendy, okay.
Ok, ahí me des una palomita, una estrella, lo que sea. Me dijiste mi tlacoche, ¿verdad, señorita? Sí. ¿Con queso fuera? No. Natural, la masita es azul.
Natural.
Natural. Vale, es que el joven me dio mi propina 20, pero ya no traía cambio, ahora pues pagan. A donarlo con la propina. ¿Cómo se llama, güero?
Cecil. Cecil?
Narciso.
Cecil? Cecilio?
Cecilio.
Sí, sí. Yeah.
¿Soltero o casado?
Sí.
Soltero.
¿Soltero?
Sí, o sea, ¿tienes esposa?
No tengo esposa. Yeah.
Que les vaya bonito, Ay, buen camino, que lleguen con bien.
¿Cuántos?
30.
30, ok.
30.
Muchas gracias, señora Wendy.
Gracias. Wendy, me llamo Wendy.
Wendy, yes, sí. Muy rico.
Gracias.
Muchas gracias.
Bye.
Mucho gusto. Bye.
Bye. Mucho gusto. Bye.
Okay, well, that was really good. Quesadilla Wendy. She was very nice. And I did get the cheese, and I think that was the right choice. Next time, I'll be sure to try it without cheese. I, of course, wish I spoke more Spanish so I could maybe travel more outside of the tourist areas. I was able to do that in the previous video, right? But that's because I had my friend with me who speaks Spanish. He is from here. So something I want to work on to, maybe in future visits that I can experience a bit more and learn more about Mexico. There were also a lot of things I didn't film, like, the stuff in the Centro Histórico, the kind of center of all of Mexico. It's really cool. But I know that stuff's been covered in so many videos, so didn't want to, put something out there that everyone has maybe seen already. So, not that I don't know if I filmed anything new myself, but didn't want to do just the big things. Though it would have been fine, probably. I mean, it was really cool. Definitely recommend you hit all the sites here. So that's it. Thanks everybody for watching the videos here in Mexico. And if there's any other city in Mexico that you think I should visit, let me know. There's plenty of other states, areas here that I want to go to. So let me know. Thanks everybody for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.